Oh, hey everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. You'll notice I'm missing Harry tonight. It is just Lloyd here taking you on a short daily video. This is our original daily show. This is where we roll random dice. We pick random stocks. We do that 3 times a night. We then pick one stock that we're going to invest our hard-earned retirement money into, and we go buy that stock the next day. We are then going to review our portfolio and see how our random rolls are doing for us and see if we continue to beat Wall Street. So with that, we're going to go out and roll some dice. Here we go. All right. So out here at random.org is where we get our dice for our rolls. Our first roll is a 1. We go out here to Random Stock Picker and we pick 1. We don't get paid to sell any stocks. We do this totally random. We don't want anybody to think that we're those types of guys. GNLN. All right, go back here. We roll again. We get a 3. Going out here, 1, 2, 3 times. OPTN. OPTN is our next one. And the last stock we're going to look at tonight is a 2, 1, 2, DMB. Oh man, that's dumb investing right there. That's the one we need. All right, so without Harry here, I'm going to go out to Yahoo and I'm going to do a little bit of research on these 3 stocks. I'm going to find out which one of these we want to invest in. So this is the municipal bonds. Well, I don't know too much about municipal bonds. Let's see what this stock has been doing. So in the last 5 years, in 5 years, it's gone up $3. Man, oh man. It's paying a 4% dividend. So this would be a very safe place probably to put a savings account because you're going to make 4%, where savings account today is making probably that 0.07. So this would probably be a very safe place to go. They're probably not going to tell us much financials. If we went in, if we went in and saw who these people were, we would see that they're carrying basically municipal bonds. So we would see stuff from probably cities and states and probably some government stuff. Well, municipal is going to be just cities and states. So yeah. So that's that. Don't know a whole bunch about that. So I do love it because it's DMB. But let's go see what else we've got here. So we've got a OPTN is our other stuff. Optinos. Don't know anything about Optinos. Let's see what we can learn about these people. So how long they've been around. They've been around for a long time, and that is probably the worst you would want to see. That is a horrible chart. So I don't know what Optinos has going on. Market cap 150 million. Let's see here. They have projected to lose money. They did better than that, but they still lost, still losing. So they're losing a whole lot of money. Oh yeah. Check that out. So their revenue has grown over the last 3 years, but they continue to lose a whole bunch of money. Let's see what these guys do. Pharmaceutical development, patient treated ear, nose, allergy specialists within the United States. Man, these things are weird. You know, there's probably 100 of these out there, maybe more. And it's one of those things you just take a random bet and you hope they might hit something. They might not. You know, they could be sitting here spending money for another 10 years before they hit something. But when they do, these are the stocks that go from $2 to $2,000, and it seems to happen overnight. So this might be one of those, YOLOs. Maybe we buy 10 shares or something like that. I don't see a fundamental reason why, other than we just wouldn't want the other 2. So let's go look at our last one here. GNLN. Green Lane Holdings. Let's see what Green Lane Holdings is up to. Okay, so Green Lane Holdings is only a couple of years old. And it looks like it could have been a SPAC of some type. Let's see if we know what they're doing. Oh, sells cannabis accessories, child-resistant packaging, and specialty vaporation projects. Well, I would say these guys are probably up and coming. That would be my guess. Didn't expect to see revenue fall off like that, though. I would have assumed as the cannabis market continues to expand that their revenue would continue to expand. So that's a little worrisome there. Let's see. Quarterly, not much is going on. So they're just kind of striking a pose there. I mean, their quarters are barely changing whatsoever. I don't know. Do we hope and pray on this one that next, let's see, is it this November or next November that we, I think it's next November, right? Where we might see more changes happening here, and we might see the cannabis open up into more states. As of today, they're still losing money. I would like to see their bank statements and see how much cash they have and how long they can survive losing that kind of money. One of the things that could be scary with a company like this is that they just go and they create more stock and release more stock so that they can stay afloat, and that just dilutes the shares that are there. So I don't know that. Last month, there were some people that said that maybe somebody should be buying this. They think it's going to be up in the $5 range in a year or so. But as of right now, I don't know. The two of these are kind of YOLOs, which there's no fundamental reason basically to own the stock. And the DMB, man, I don't know. What a lousy pick. Let's go back to DMB. See if there's any reason why we should be buying this thing. No, yeah, that's the municipal. The only reason we would do this is if we didn't want to put our money in a savings account. I don't know which one to choose, guys. This is horrible. Just horrible. OPTN. What would Harry tell me to do? We wouldn't. I don't know. Maybe we do this. No, we wouldn't. We would bet on the cannabis stuff. All right. GL or GNLN. We're going to put some money in the cannabis stuff and see what happens. All right. So this is when we go out and we check out our portfolio. So here we go. Let's see here. All right. So I don't run Webull very often. I'm the guy that does all the buying of the stock, so I know how to run it on the buy side. I'm not very good at reviewing stuff. Like Harry's really good at this. So I'm going to see if I'm doing this the right way. My positions. Let's see. That's not what we want to see. Is it my positions by... How do we see a daily chart? He is so good at that, and I am pretty lousy at this. All right, so price change, percent high to low. So BFI was our highest today, but it's not telling me what it did. Man, oh man. We've done this before. I don't know why this is so hard now. Let's see, a screener trade, maybe here. Well, this is where we can look at them in the overall. I thought we went here to look at the day. Maybe that's just the way it is. Man, well, I don't know how to do this, folks. I am sorry that I know San Juan Basin, we just bought it. Looks like it's up 2%, so that's not bad. I find it hard to believe that today the market's had a pretty good day. And I don't see, maybe interval, maybe if we go to 1 day. That doesn't change anything for me. I am so embarrassed. I'm sorry, people. I don't know how to do this. Well, we can go here and we can look at our account overall. So here's the cool thing to see is that we had a great day today because the market had a great day. So we were up $7. You guys know that's a pretty big number for us. We are only $49 away from our break even. Our break even is technically at 3, even though it's not going to tell us that because we do make money on our dividends as well. But in the grand scheme of things, we've got Worry Bank up here, up 22%. Now, normally that's when I start thinking about selling stuff, right? I like to make the 20% and jump out. We may see if this market has a little bit more running in it to see what happens. Mag Silver came out of nowhere and jumped up 21% as well. So we've got 2 of these guys up at 21. So this is normally when I'd start talking to Harry saying, hey, if you can make 20% of your money, it's time to do it. We have plenty of money in the bank, so we can let this stuff ride and see if it goes higher. We've got enough money to do this for about another year until we really have to start selling stuff. So we've got a lot of stuff that's green right now, which is great. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We only have 10 that are not green. And the Brazilian bull is still down there. Things in Brazil are still messy. We've still got BurgerFi down there. Those 2 have been occupying these bottom spots with Ideomics, bouncing around as well. And that's too bad. This Fallen Knives is from our prior show when we were messing around there. So yeah, we've got that still hanging out here. So anyways, that's where we're at. It was a good day today, almost up 1%. That kind of sucks because I think the market was up a little bit more than that. Or no, sorry, today's daily says is up 11.29. Yeah, I like to see that better. I don't know what that's telling. That must be the overall. I don't know what it is. Maybe that is. Anyways, that's how we're sitting. We're doing good. We've got a lot of money in the bank. We'll keep doing this for the next year or so. Harry will be joining me. I don't know if he's here tomorrow night. You guys might be stuck with me running solo again. And then for sure on Wednesday night, we will do a daily show. And then we'll do a market commentary show as well. We know you guys like those. You have a lot of questions for us about what's going on in the market and stuff like that. So we will tell you what's going on. I know we've had some people ask about the Shiba coin and our thoughts on that. I don't remember if Harry is long on it. I'm long on the Shiba coin. So we will talk all about that stuff Wednesday night. Have a great night. Thanks for joining us, everybody.